Hey Rose fam, welcome back to another video. Well, I hope everybody is having an amazing day. It is an absolutely gorgeous day here. I think it's in the 80s, maybe mid 80s, but it feels so good, and I hope that it is nice where you are too. Well guys, I am bringing a mini bathroom tour, I guess you can say. I finished the area that I was working on. The bathroom by no means is done. There is so much more. We want to redo the floors. We want to redo the whole shower, like tear out the piece that's in there. It's just so many more things that we want to do, but I'm not sure when we're going to do them. So for now, I'm going to be satisfied with what we have. So I want to show you guys the progress so far. Since I did show you I was tiling, I want to go ahead and show you guys the progress. So if you would like to see our master bathroom tour, then please continue watching. All right, guys, that is our master bathroom so far. Let me know what you guys think. I absolutely, listen, we absolutely love it. We're so happy with how it's turning out. Like I said, I don't know when we're going to finish the shower, but I'm so excited for that. I don't know if we're going to take that on or we'll have it done, but knowing me, we're probably going to take it on ourselves, but we shall see. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed just a quick peek at our master bathroom, little bit of a reno, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you, Rose fam, and see you in the next one.